Oh, I can't believe it. Snow in March. Oh, this is ridiculous. I started off as periodic rain, just a little bit off and on, and now it is this. But it probably won't last more than a day or a couple of days. Hopefully not. I want to go somewhere warm, like, I don't know, the Bahamas, maybe Florida, I don't know, somewhere. I am so tired of this. Ah, we didn't get snow at Christmas. We didn't get snow hardly at all this winter. Just rain and some cold weather, but regular nice weather. But this, ooh, yuck. Please spare me. Oh. Oh well, I guess I shouldn't complain. We get this happens in March sometimes. We get a sudden dump of snow, and then, like I said, a few days later, it's usually gone, so hopefully it will be.